Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we're gonna see the where major forex pair work for next week. Okay guys, so we can see here guys, this is given us very big momentum in euro versus USD. You can see here. Okay guys, this is the one of the major pair. So you can see here guys, it's right now is consolidating. So what happened if it will consolidate? Okay guys, if it will goes upside, then you can expect your first, second and third target guys. Then if it will break this resistance, then you can see for upside momentum too. But right now what I am saying is that, so it may be consolidate here only and closes, but if it will broke this too, then you have to see the consciously you have to trade, because this is the bigger momentum will not come, I think so, because they, you can see that how big momentum it has been made in right now. So we have to see that this momentum is very big. So right now I am seeing the small consolidation or something happens, so I will update you in the Telegram channel, link in the description guys. Go and check out that too guys. You can see here. Okay guys, this is the area where you can see the next this major forex will work for this week. Okay guys, now we're gonna see the next major forex pair guys, that is GBP versus US dollar. Okay guys, you can see that very nice wall has been given. You can see this here only some of the minimal buyers has been came somewhere here guys. So what we can expect is that this is the big momentum has been done. So after something consolidation happen guys, something like this only consolidate after break, then we can get very nice if upside momentum we can see here. So our first target will be here guys, second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, if it will consolidate somewhere here only guys, consolidate, then broken, taken retest, you can expect the bigger fall first, second and third guys. Okay guys, right now only we have got very big fall from here guys. So we have to trade like a very small quantity also in upside momentum. In downside you can also take a small quantity or take a little big risk, so you can get a very nice risk to reward GBP versus US dollar guys. Up till here also you can get the your target, and reversible also you can see somewhere here only bias has been came. So it's not expected that it will goes upside. It may be came slightly upside, take resistance, came downside. So like this you have to see the what is buyer and sellers getting their perspectives. Okay guys, so this is the analysis for that major forex. Right now it is the euro versus GBP. I have told you this is the volatility. You can see that how nice volatility we have found. Okay guys, we have also traded in this. We have got very nice trades and made a very good amount of money from this. Okay guys, so right now what I am seeing is that guys, so this is the major resistance area, no doubt, but this is multiple time tested right now. Okay guys, this is multiple time tested means it not gonna gives us very big momentum, it gonna gives us very big momentum because of this is multiple first, second, third and this is fourth time it has been taken a resistance. This time it may be got a big momentum guys. Okay guys, why I'm telling you is this, because of here it will came take a resistance, or maybe not, but it made a price action. This has to cross. If this is crossed, then you can expect your first target came downside, goes for bigger momentum, first target, second target, third target, even fourth target too guys. Okay guys, this will gonna big momentum. Keep this in watch list guys, please, so you can get the surety and you can get the bigger momentum. If it will came once again downside, take here somewhere resistance, you can expect the bigger fall, because you can see that multiple time tested. Okay guys, so you can expect your first target, your second target, your third target and even fourth target too. Okay guys, these are the bigger momentum. If you find out, I will just remove these. Okay guys, so up till you can easily take down. Okay guys, so this is like this, you have to do the analysis guys. We can see next major forex is USD versus CAD. So this is the one of the trend line. Right now it's broken and taken a support. Okay guys, so right now what we have to see is that if once again it will came downside, take support somewhere here only, or if it crosses this high, okay guys, then you can expect your first target guys. This will be the your second target, this will be the third and fourth target. Okay guys, this is the shown how nicely bar are dominants. Okay guys, one-sided momentum. Okay guys, so that's why one-sided momentum has been given. So if it will came take a resistance, then you can expect your first target, second target, further for fourth target, and even fifth target, sixth target, and seventh target. Okay guys, in downside very less possibilities that it will came downside. High probability is it will majorly become a volatile or gives us very big momentum. Okay guys, we gonna see the next major forex is USD versus CHF. So right now here some of the minimal sellers are coming. So what I will expect is that if once again it will take resistance, our first target will be here, second target will be here. If that will also broken, then third target, this will expect, you can expect up till fourth target. Okay guys, in downside. In upside we can see here guys, what happened is that if it will broke, take support, expect your first target, second target, third target, even fourth target too guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside and downside targets. Okay guys, we can see the AUD versus US dollar. This is the one of the major supporting areas guys. If it gonna break, okay guys, if it gonna break, then you can expect the bigger fall in downside up till this will be the your first target, second, okay guys, second target, this will be the your third target. Okay guys, these are the three target in downside. If this level also break, then you can expect a huge fall up till here. Okay guys, so I will update in Telegram channel, you can go and join there too guys. So I will update there and you can get the updated there, and you can hope you can get the bigger momentum too. I also do the analysis of Dow Jones and US index which are tradable, so you can join there too. I will also post it on the Monday or Tuesday guys. You can go and check out that Dow Jones given us very big momentum. You can check those two guys. If it will take support, our first second target will be here guys. You can expect third target and fourth target up till here only. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside momentum. Downside it maybe gives us upside momentum because here consolidation happened, came downside, slightly goes upside, once again came downside. In if trend will reversible, then only. Okay guys, these are the target we can see for NSD versus US dollar. This is the major supporting area. Right now it's broken. If it will retest it some like this, you can expect your first target, second target, this will be the final third target guys. Okay guys, if it become volatile and then it goes upside and takes somewhere here only your support, and expect your first, second and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target in NSD versus US dollar. We can see for Euro versus Japanese yen, these are the one of the major supporting area where it has been came and set. Right now it will act as a major supporting area. You can buy right now also. This is the pull and flag pattern like this. If this is broken, this line, then you can expect your first target, second target, third target, up till third target. If this will also broken, then you can expect a bigger upside momentum. Okay guys, so you can go for it guys, because this is the very big supporting area. Seller will not take down. If they will take down, you can expect a very big downside. First, second, even third, even fourth. if this will broken, because this is the major supporting area. I am not expecting it will break. If it will break, then seller will wholly dominance this and taken it downside. If not happen that, so you can see the your upside momentum target slow and steadily. It will maybe go for whole week, but it will reach up till here. Okay guys, so we can see next AUD versus CHF. Right now you can see that how much volatility is here. You can see that this is the one of the major supporting areas what we have discussed right now. So right now it is closing very nicely, but this is the one of the trend line I am seeing. You can see here. Okay guys, if this trend line is broken, then you can expect a huge fall in this. Okay guys, this trend line is broken, then you can expect your first target, your second target, your third target, your fourth target. These are the four target in downside momentum. Okay guys, in upside, if this is broken, taken support, you can expect your first target, second, this will be the third, fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target. But if trend line will broken, then you cannot expect that it goes upside momentum. It may be slowly come, but it definitely gonna gives us downside momentum. Okay guys, we can see the euro versus Japanese yen. Right now it may be buyer are coming, but it not happen that it goes up till here only. If it's going upside, then you can expect your first target, second target, third and fourth target guys. These are the four target in upside momentum. If it will broken, taken resistance, you can expect your first target, second target. If this will also broken, then you can expect your fresh position, first, second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the some of the analysis of GBP versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, these are the some of the analysis guys. Hope you got the all analysis how we have to trade. Some of the price action also I will make the video separately for you. Right now I'm not available, but I have given a poll for in a Telegram channel. So you have told me 2 price action videos, so I will definitely gonna make little bit delay. It may be delay, or today only I will take that video for you, or it may be late. Sorry for that. So thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much.